Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Miata seats. First, ensure your Miata is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged for safety. You'll need a few basic tools, primarily a 14mm socket and a ratchet, which makes this job surprisingly straightforward. We'll cover disconnecting the battery, unbolting the seat, and finally, carefully lifting it out. This method is designed to be quick and easy, even for beginners. Before we begin, make sure you have your 14mm socket, a ratchet, and a flathead screwdriver handy. Safety first. Always disconnect your car's negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. This prevents any accidental electrical issues, especially with airbag sensors. Next, slide the seat all the way forward to expose the two rear mounting bolts. This gives you clear access to loosen them without any hassle. Now, with your 14mm socket and ratchet, carefully loosen and remove the two rear bolts. Once those are out, slide the seat all the way back to expose the two front mounting bolts. These are usually covered by plastic caps, which you can gently pry off with your flathead screwdriver. After removing the front bolts, the seat will be loose. Tilt it backward to access the electrical connectors underneath. With the seat tilted, you'll see a few electrical connectors. Carefully unclip these, ensuring not to pull on the wires. Take your time here, as these can sometimes be a bit stubborn. Once all connectors are detached, you can carefully lift the entire seat out of the car. Be mindful of your car's interior to avoid any scratches or damage during removal. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This easy method makes seat removal a breeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.